Hello, this is Sprint 3 Demo 1, and this is my graphic user interface that I've been using through Visual Basic. I call it the fishing rod and reel selector, and overall my goal was to help like your first time fishermen, and even like people who just casually fish, you know try to at least go out and catch a fish. They not people who take it real serious, because I know I don't even take it that serious, and I know they would probably disagree with some of the things I offer. But for casual fishermen, I definitely got this handled, and I'm sure I can help many people catch a fish if they were to actually use this interface. And like I said, it is a demo, so I don't have everything working correctly. Like, I'm still kind of new to Visual Basic, so I can't get my buttons, my saltwater and freshwater buttons to work. But essentially, this is what the screen that will come up. And it's asking them, will you be fishing in freshwater or saltwater? That way they can target, what species are we going after? And I try to, get the layout and everything set up for this first demo so I could at least kind of explain how I want this project to turn out. And essentially, if you hit saltwater, it's going to take you to the saltwater screen. And it asks, which species would you like to catch? And lists saltwater species. And unless it's actually running, you won't see it. But as you can see, just for an example, these are my items. And like I got pinfish, grouper, red snapper, king mackerel, dolphin. Of course I'm gonna have more than that. I already have more than that in my actual library. I just need to get those buttons to work so I can actually run the project for y'all. And then if you go back, there was the freshwater button. So if you were to click the freshwater button, it would of course take you to the form where it's more of a freshwater setting, and ask which species would you like to catch. And it lists the freshwater species. And of course, same thing here, it's not going to actually show them, but as you can see, I have just some right here. Just got catfish, largemouth, spotted bass, smallmouth, brim, crappie, or crappie. Some people say it's crappie. And essentially, once they actually pick their species, I'm going to attempt to set up a form for every species. That way it lists, what works best, what fishing rod and reel will work best to catch this species. That way, you don't want to take a light rod and light reel out that's meant for brim or crappie and hook onto a big catfish or bass. It's going to break your rod and reel, or at least put way too much wear and tear on it. Or at the very least, you're just going to be snapping line all day and not catch anything, which is no fun at all. And like I said, I just want to get a informative form after they pick their species, and just list on that form a little bit about the fish, where it can be caught exactly, like popular spots maybe. And I want to, of course, give them my recommendation of what fishing rod and reel they should use for that species of fish. And I'm also going to try to include what kind of hook that you might want to use. That'll be a little bonus feature, I guess. Because there are different hooks. The way that you don't want to use too big of a hook, you want to use too small of a hook. The way they're shaped, everything. Fishing's very technical sometimes. And yeah, that about wraps up my demo 1. Hopefully, I can actually have that running to actually show how it will work in the end process. But this is just the first demo, so there's a lot more to come after this. Thank you.